Hey everyone, it's Tara. I went to Dollarama the other day and I have a problem. I will fully admit that to everybody. I cannot be trusted in Dollarama, and my husband fully supports my problem. He's the one who points out most of the stuff to me. But I bought a bunch of stickers and pins and some washi tape. The Dollarama here, well, we don't have them in the States, but our dollar stores in the States, I think it's like Dollar Tree. I think there's one other one, but I don't know. But they don't really have like a good selection of like stickers or like markers, I guess you could say, or even like washi tape. I have found some before, but it's really kind of like all holiday related. But the Dollarama here is just like, ooh, they have so many cool things. I go up and down each aisle because I know I'm going to find something fun in each aisle. So I went there mostly to pick up new stuff, like cleaning stuff, cleaning supplies for our new house, and I walked out with a lot of stickers. And the lady at the register was just like, she was not happy with me for having to scan all these individually. It was like right before they closed, like 20 minutes before they closed, and I don't know, I felt bad, but I needed it all. So first things I bought were these markers, Bic Marking Color Collection. They had 3 different colors at the store that I went to. I'm really kind of excited to try these out. I'm going to make a video kind of going over them and doing a little review. But it says they're ultra fine point permanent marker. So if there's anything like, maybe like the Sharpie marker or something like that, I think I'm going to be happy with them. But like the color sets that they have were just really appealing to me. So I picked them up, and I'm just kind of excited to try them out and see what they're like. Maybe use them in my bullet journal or planning or something like that, and probably to write letters or postcards with, of course. So keep a lookout for a video on these guys. Hopefully I'll have that coming up soon. I also got this pack of paper tape, washi tape, $1.25 for 5 rolls. I already opened this because we were at our house and we needed tape, but I'm pretty sure that this tape is just terrible. But I'll give it a try for $1.25. I love the neon colors. I'm pretty much a sucker for anything neon, so we'll see. We'll give them a go right now. So we were trying to like change a recessed light bulb, and I knew this wasn't going to work, but I wanted to try it just in case. I try to use the washi tape to grab onto the light bulb. But I mean, as far as stickiness goes, it's really not the worst thing in the world, but it definitely is paper. It's not like washi tape. I guess it's kind of like masking tape, huh? So this is literally just like sticky paper. It's almost kind of like post-it flags, if you will. But the colors are pretty true. It's not see-through at all, because it is paper. You know, there's not really much to be seeing through. But I think I'll use these on my postcards and give it a go and see how well they do stick on paper. But I needed some more washi tape before I get to Vegas and collect all my stuff, because I'm writing postcards like a crazy person, since it's all I know how to do right now. And of course, if you guys want a postcard from me, just let me know. Send me a message. I'm more than happy to write you a postcard. I got these 2 sets of stickers. They're metallic stickers with some kind of just stupid images that I'm not into that. But I like the little like ice cream cone and the unicorn, the watermelon. They're a little bit more summery themed, so they're probably not going to get a lot of use out of them in the next few months. But I like the way they look, and they kind of remind me of like elementary school, so I picked those up and I'll just use them on postcards probably. I have 3 sets of alphabet stickers. The alphabet stickers at the Dollarama are amazing. Their designs, they usually have a lot more of a selection of like different fonts and stuff. But I could only find these when I went the other day. So I guess there's 3 different fonts, and 3 different like gold glitter, white glitter, and then like miscellaneous assorted colored glitter. But they're really good stickers, honestly. I use them all the time on postcards and like on the outside of envelopes. And you get a really good amount of stickers for $2. You really can't go wrong here. And they're a decent size. I don't really care for this font. It's a little bit too like curvy, but you know, I always use these. I love them. Next up, I have a bunch of Halloween stickers. I'm such a sucker for Halloween, you guys. I'm actually really excited this year because my husband and I bought a house, so you know, we kind of have our own space now and we can like really decorate, and I'm just really kind of excited for that. And we'll probably have trick-or-treaters because there's a lot of like kids around in these neighborhoods that we're around. So I hope we'll have trick-or-treaters. We were talking about like making little goodie bags and obviously passing out candy and just doing a little bit of decorations and stuff. So I'm really stoked about that. Like for the last 2 years I've been living with my mom. We don't get any trick-or-treaters anymore in her neighborhood because everybody in that neighborhood I've grown up with, and they, you know, there's no children in that neighborhood anymore. And then before that, I've been living in apartments for like the last 7 years, and there's no trick-or-treaters there at all. And there's really no reason to decorate. So I'm really excited to kind of have our own space and just do something fun and hopefully get trick-or-treaters. And if we don't, then we'll just be able to pick out on a bunch of candy. But I just love like Halloween imagery. It's just really cute to me, especially like the dollar store stuff. Like their ghosts are all so silly looking. But I figure I could use these on postcards and in letters and obviously send them to people. But I got some ghosty guys, so cute. Little pumpkins, bunch of miscellaneous Halloween stuff. I love the little kitty here. She's so cute. Little witch, pumpkins, potions, gravestones. These ghosts are just out of control cute. This guy's got a little bow tie. These weird bat cat things. I don't know what those are. Really cute. And then they have these like glow-in-the-dark stickers. They have a little bit of like texture to them. They might be even like velvety almost, but I think it's just the glow-in-the-dark material. Thought those were kind of cool. Again, probably just use them on postcards and stuff. I like making like Halloween postcards when I get a bunch of Halloween stickers, so I'm really into that. And these little owls are so cute. I like that moon too. And then I picked up this one too just because it was there, and you know, I had to get all the stickers that they offered. But it's kind of just the same imagery, just a little bit smaller maybe. It came with like a sticker album, which I don't even know. You know, it's for children, you guys. I'm a child, so we'll see what this looks like. I don't collect stickers. I mean, I guess I do, but I also use them. This is literally just like a stapled together notebook with like shiny sticky sticker paper in it, so you can stick the stickers on it. I'm sure they won't stick forever, like you can peel them up again. So that's just going immediately in the trash, but I guess if you're a kid, I guess that's kind of cool. I don't know how many kids like collect stickers these days, but yeah. So I got my Halloween stuff from the Dollarama, and some more stickers and stuff I can use before I have all of my official stuff back. So yeah, keep an eye on for a video of the review of these little pin guys, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye!